Warm welcome, tribe. This is just a quick video to show you how I make garden eggs in the oven. I make this recipe when I'm just cooking for myself. It is quick, it is easy, it is fuss free. Before we get started, go ahead and click on that subscribe button if you have not already done so. So I'm using the West African garden eggs from my garden, but you can definitely also use eggplant in this recipe. Garden eggs or eggplants are super nutritious, super good for you. They are both very low in calories and rich in fiber and phytonutrients, vitamins and minerals that can help fight disease in the body. So you should definitely consider including eggplants or garden eggs in your healthy diet. Okay, now that I've convinced you why you must include garden eggs or eggplants into your diet, let's get cooking. This is a super simple recipe. All you need to do is chop up your ingredients into bite-sized pieces like so, and then drizzle it with some olive oil, season it with salt and pepper and some herbs according to taste, and then bake it in the oven. So I have the garden eggs, I have some cherry tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, and some celery. So you can add any other vegetable of your choice, and you bake it until it is done. It's gonna take maybe 25 to 30 minutes. And while you have the oven on, go ahead and cook some protein as well. I like to use salmon for its health benefits as well. So go ahead and season some salmon and stick it in the oven, and then you will have your protein to go along with your vegetables.